Sithokozani bogogo nomkhulu sarikwasendoda lesugogo bathini bathuma vula kuvalenza namadoda u-anti usha your number one locksmith upresident hayi ngiyayithola ibonga ngiyabonga to be a loan shark, it's not a side hustle, it's a real business. It's a real business. It's a business. Yes, we are saying Guti, it's illegal. You cannot charge so much money on interest and everything. But those are the calculations that we do after we don't want to pay Umashonisa. After Umashonisa have paid you without a pay slip, without your bank card sometimes, without you producing 3 months bank statement, without you showing pay slip, but with a mutual respect or mutual trust that Umashonisa has on you. But today I want to talk to the loan sharks. I'm talking to you, my brother. I'm talking to you, my sister. I'm talking to you, Mkulu. I'm talking to you, Gogo. I'm talking to you, Baba. I'm going to you, Mama. I'm talking to you, Sisi. I'm talking to you, Puti. Nani miyebomzala. Sisonke bokazi. Guys, again, I've spoken about ukuthi ancestors are glue, bond between us and the muti that we are doing. When I say us and the muti and that we are doing, and the issue of ancestors being in the middle, is they fuse together the two. So I want us to go deep with this, but in a very short video, not to take it long, because I'm getting straight to the point. The money, I've done this video before, and I'm repeating it again. The money that you are using as Umashonisa, Lalela, it's not your money. It's not your money. And allow me to include the issue of saying, everything that you are doing, every job that you are doing, any hustle that you are doing, anything that you're doing that is bringing you money, to ancestors, there's nothing called itoho. There's nothing called hustling. There's nothing called peace job. It's a job. Because when you buy something to eat, it's not you don't buy it with a different price with the money that you've earned it because of it's a full-time job, or you've earned it because of it's korob, it's a part-time job. The value is the same. So that's how ancestors look at money issues. There's a lot that I've learned in Angola in a very short period of time, but a lot I've learned it now when I was on my own to say, okay, by that they meant this, by that they meant this, by that they meant this. So every job that you have, it doesn't matter how little that job is, respect it. Respect it. Every business, it doesn't matter whether you are selling a archer like umhulu, we are selling ilokuza lama biscuit, we are selling ama sweetie, we are selling ama snacks, whatever that you are doing, respect it. Because somebody out there is praying for that opportunity. Kukhona umuntu oguqa ngedolo oshisa amakhandlela othi meke phahla athi nina bakithi nina bogogo nomkhulu kuwonke amagumba amanomhlabeni hamba nami, please, at least if I can do something. There are people with so much qualifications and so much experience. Others is just an experience and qualifications. Others is just one of the two. However, they are jobless. So if you are doing a business as a loan shark, don't do a mistake of starting that business with your heart. You are doing the wrong thing. Use your brain, because your brain is going to remind you Reminders, they don't come with the heart, with the feelings. They come with the brain. It will remind you, ukuthi, hello, you need to go to your partner and negotiate with your ancestors, because this is not your money. Remember, when you are doing ukushonisa, the money that you are starting with, Mozo Shonisa, you are starting with the money that you have on that toho, that you call it, or a piece job, or you start it from your salary that you've paid for you to get that job now, or that tender, or that big business. So now that you've got that tender, that business, that full-time job, or that part-time job, that's corrupt, you then take this money. You don't now. You no longer communicating with ancestors. You just take that money and you borrow it to Spanban, and the money disappears. Why is that? Why is that? Please don't take loan shark business as dog, because those who took it serious, those who paid attention, those who listened to me when I said it years ago, they are now owning cash loans, paperwork, everything in order. Started where? From the humble beginning. That is why it is difficult for somebody to bring back your money, because of they don't see you deserving it, because it's not yours anyway. Sorry, it's a reality. It's not yours. VAT is not yours. However, in reality, they took it from you. So we really need to be careful when we're dealing with issues of borrowing money and everything. Even if it's a money stock failure, in your stock fail, you do take money and you borrow people. Don't assume because of it's a money that you took it out of stock fail and then that means it's not yours. No, that money belongs to your ancestors, because it via you, it via your hands, it via your spirit. You can go and talk to your ancestors, Upahle, and talk to them and say, please grant me this opportunity, allow me to use this money to make more money with it, by means of what? Of borrowing other people. They will pay it back with interest. If you go to a genuine cash loan, like your bank, if they give you a loan, that loan is insured. So if you're not paying the bank that loan, there's an underwriter that the bank has, or the cash loan has, that pays them in case you fail. You are failing now to pay it back. Why? Because the insurer will say, as long as this person has guaranteed you, they are not blacklisted, they are working, they are affording, they are employed, they are affording, they can pay back this loan, and they failed. Even you produce these three proofs, these people, this person has for them to qualify for the loan. If this person now doesn't pay, you can claim that money after a certain period of time from them not paying, and then they pay back with interest to that person. Then the bank or whatever, they do get their magic. They still threaten you, they come to you, they blacklist you or whatever. I'm not going to be involved in that, because I don't know how do they reach that conclusion. They must still continue looking for yet another money. I know of a person who took the bank to court. I can't mention the name of the bank, about the loan, and that person had the proof that person's loan was paid, because on that loan there was an insurance that this person was paying on top of the loan. So we are not there. I'm not teaching about how banks works, because I know fuck all about it. However, coming back to cash loan, that is not your money. That is not a side hustle. It's a job. It's a real business. It's either I call it a job or a real business, because to go after people looking for that money, it's a job. It's either a job or it's a real business. You are in business or you are employed and you are going to be paid. So you're going to use your ancestors as an underwriter, as an insurer that allows you. So because your ancestors, they are holding an FSP certificate. They are the one. Your financial service provider is your ancestors. They are holding. They are like your FSP. You need to go by the rules and the regulations of how your ancestors want you to do things, want you to run the business, or want you to do that job that you are doing. So if you are umashonisa and you want to just borrow people money without you talking to your ancestors, without you getting umuti, that will make sure the people, they pay you at the end of the day. You need to make sure. And when somebody makes an example, yes, I've got a lot of money, guys. Here's my money. I'm loaded. I'm loaded. There's muti that we use. That muti, let me see here. I don't have that ointment here. But that muti, what happened is, when I say to people, give people money by hand and demand it to be returned, that money by hand. Because there's muti that you apply on either corner of the muti. That money is going to burn that person. It's going to make that person not to forget Uguti, they've borrowed money from you. Whenever they get money, they want that money to, they want that hit of that money in their hands, and so that they can come back and pay you back. But you give people that instruction. Hi, Koko, Abanye, EFT, hey, Koko, e-wallet, send the money. Hey, Koko, in Omunya, will send you a WhatsApp, say to buy in it. Guys, can you buy for the man? Who's in need of money here? Why must you think about somebody who's there and you don't know that person? Yes, your regular customers, you do have formed that kind of a relationship with your customers. However, if you want to know more about the ritual for umashonisa, you can contact the office so that you can be able to assist you. Or you can ask your healer to say, is there something that you can give me that can assist me when I give money to a person, they must bring it back. Remember, in closure, that is a job or a business or a full-time job or a straight business, and you need to take it serious. In closure, as we are about to close this thing, this path for job seekers for 5 Rand, tell me, or anyone can tell me, please, I need to know, where is the youth that we are talking about, that the youth is unemployed, they're sitting there at home, they don't have means for work? Where is this youth? If I may ask, where is this youth that we are talking about? I just need to ask that. Where is this youth that we are talking about? Or maybe in South Africa, youth have went for a vacation. Where is this youth that is not working? Here's the opportunity of 5 Rand to get a job. A 5 Rand where people used to pay from 850, 1,500 up to 15,000 for a job opportunity, depending on qualification, jobs, and what, and the power of that motive. Youth was part of those people that were paying that money. The same youth, they don't take an opportunity to say, here's an opportunity for me to get a job. Guys, what is happening? I came up with imbiza for people who want to stop drinking alcohol. Lalela, none of the people came forward for that imbiza. None of the people. So are we telling me, Uguti, people, they don't want to work, and people, they're enjoying the abuse of alcohol? Are we saying that to this society that we are living in? I'm not here to judge anyone. It's up to individual. sarikwazi ugogo bathini bathi mavula kuvala emzini umadoda u-anti usha. Loan shark, it's a serious business.